Here we go, kid, at the Fairfield Inn in E-Town, Kentucky. Room 130. Been here before, as early as last week, but here we go. So this room is an adjoining room, so they do have that option. We're also going to here. This is the bathroom, and you can see it is handicap accessible. So they do have a shower in this one. Shower is pretty new, up to date, very clean, echoey, so pretty good there. We have soap, shampoo, conditioner, face wash. Everything's pretty standard. Yeah, so going in, and in the room we have the closets, which again, because it is the handicap room, we do have the mini ironing board, which I absolutely despise. It's straight trash. I'd rather there not be one there at all, but I digress. Going on in, we have the standard bed. I did check for the bed bugs, nothing there. They do have an alarm clock. Last week, they had the alarm clock on, so I got a nice wake-up call at 5:30. That was awesome. But light switch right underneath the lights up over there. You can see plenty of outlets there. We have more right here and more right there on that thing. Coffee maker. Inside of here we have the mini fridge. And we have a little seating area with some outlets over there. No outlets over on this side, but there is a separate light switch there. So the only other thing here is they do have this little screen to go through. Show you the outside. This is looking into the parking lot with some restaurants right over the way and everything. Also, they do have the window that does open a little bit. And up there, you might be able to see it. I hope you can. They have like an extra stop that you could take that off and open up this window even more if you wanted. But there you go. Oh, TV-wise, solid TVs again with the internet TV options. I've been taking advantage of those, so we'll show you the full one there. I even used the Bluetooth one in the morning. Listen to podcasts while I'm getting ready. But there you go. Until next time.